The late adopter. XRP couldn't even get to 141, guys. XRP couldn't even get to 141. Now it does look good. It was good. I think yesterday was a pretty big pump. It was pretty big pump. Yesterday we went up 17%, guys. 17%. I don't know how that was possible, but we went up 17%. But we still did not hit our target at 141 or 156. Those were the two targets. And right now we are seeing that Bitcoin is doing some kind of a, rising wedge, wanna fall down. Cardano just did Cardano looks like hit some kind of top right now, wanna go down. So if those are gonna go down, meaning that this right now, I think it hit already top. I don't think we're gonna get to 141, and unfortunately I don't think we're gonna get to 149. I think this was the best the bulls could do. This was the best they could do, and right now, I think it has the one last day. Today is Sunday. Maybe on Sunday, right now, it's gonna pump out there. But right now, the risk is getting pretty high, guys. The risk is getting pretty high on everything. When you see these kind of parabola moves towards the upside, the risk is getting pretty high, and that means that some kind of pullback is gonna happen. And we have been talking about pullback on Bitcoin. We're talking about pullback on Cardano. Right now, we are talking about pullback on XRP, and right after this, I'm gonna talk about pullback on Matic. Because right now I think everything is gonna have a pullback, and pullbacks are natural. Nothing goes in straight line to the moon. We got zigzag. So what's gonna happen? What are we expecting? What kind of targets are we looking for, and so forth? What we are looking for now is some kind of pullback. We are looking for some kind of pullback to certain lines, especially these moving averages. So either sideways movement or down movement, so these moving averages can catch up with the price, right? Once that happens, we're gonna be looking at 10, 20, 50 moving average and see if we can get a bounce. So what we wanna do now is we wanna go down, find some kind of support somewhere, find some kind of support and bounce off that support. We gotta do that if you wanna be bullish. We gotta find some kind of support, because when you're doing this, you're not finding support, you're just going straight up to see where the resistance is, and then you're going down to find support, and then you go up again to test that resistance and break that. So once we go down and find some kind of support, what we have to do is we have to get back above this level here at 1.3, and then we have to break it and create new high. We have to close above this level to be continue the bullishness. That's gonna be the big thing. We gotta go up, go down, we gotta go break it, not test it, break it, and to continue going up. But right now we have come to the point where we are actually looking for the support. So supports, where are the supports? Let's go to the weekly time frame and try to draw some kind of supports. The first one, most obvious one, is 1.03. The second one is down there at 0.94, and those are the most obvious ones. Now we got these two. These are the daily. I wouldn't be considering them as supports because they are just where we right now have been breaking it. So I'm thinking if we start going down here, it's gonna be this again as 1.03 or this one 0.94 support. So one of these support is gonna be. Now once we get to these supports, we don't know if actually the support is gonna hold. That's the thing with technical analysis. We don't know if they're gonna. We know where the supports are, but we don't know if they're gonna hold. Same way we know where the resistance are at 141 and 150, but we don't know if they're gonna be resistant or not. The bulls didn't even have right now the power to get back up to the resistance, which is actually a bad sign. Not getting up to the resistance, touching the resistance, trying to break the resistance, not having enough force, not having enough power to go all the way up there, it's actually a bad sign. So if everything turns down now and this actually gets correction to the downside, that means that that XRP did not have enough bullishness to get to 141. Unfortunately, stuff like this happen. So what we are looking for right now is we are looking for 103 or 1094 to actually give us support, and then bounce us above previous close up here. So we gotta get above this level up here at 128, right? That's gonna be the only thing that's gonna actually makes a bullish, because it's gonna be really hard to argue that this is just gonna continue going up. I mean, today is still Sunday, it can still do that, but on a weekly time frame, we look at a weekly time frame, just continue over here like super high up. It can happen. You can get this one candle, like, go up here and stop here, something like that. Yeah, you know, but overextensions are overextensions. Let's look at some levels down here. Technically on the weekly, 62 is not actually high. 62 is not high, but this weekly level up here on this indicator down here, just said that on the a little bit extended from the 10 moving average, some kind of pullback is needed eventually. Maybe you can go a little bit more up here. something like this. I don't know if you can see this, but you know, we are already getting to some kind of extended levels. Extended levels means danger, extended levels means risk, not danger, but it means risk. So risk right now is a lot higher up here than down here or whatever, right? Because right now we are getting extended from the moving averages. We are going up, we are shooting, we are, you know, exploding, and right now the risk is pretty high. But this is what we are expecting. We're expecting some kind of pullback, and we're expecting 103 or 094. So it's gonna be interesting to see what's gonna happen today, how this is gonna play out tomorrow. So do subscribe to the channel. Everybody, thanks for joining the Patreon. Thanks for being around. Thanks for supporting the channel. You know, I don't have 1 million subscribers, so you know I need the Patreon to keep things afloat. So thanks for that. That said, on the way out, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and on the shebang. See ya tomorrow, guys. See ya tomorrow. Bye bye.